Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. My name is Nkem. So today's video is a quick tutorial on how to do your fitting braids, but a very easy way. Okay, this is for beginners. Like if you don't know how to do the regular fitting braid, then definitely this is for you. And if you're finding it difficult to like for your fitting braids to be neat and all of that, then this is also for you guys. Okay, but before we go into this tutorial, have you subscribed to my channel? Please guys, hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time there's a new video on my channel. Also leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what your take on this hairstyle is. If it is something you want to try, now leave your comment in the comment section after watching this video, and give me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. To start this tutorial, I went ahead to part our hair, and now I'm doing the cornrows. Okay, now I'm just going to do a cornrows before I proceed to the next step. So this is the braids I'm going to use. I already did this off camera. Like I have so many videos of me doing this in my videos, so I'm not going to repeat this again. I already braid this before I'm using it now, and I'm using my needle and thread to sew these braids to our hair. Like this hairstyle, it's so easy. If you cannot do the regular fitting braids, definitely this is a must try for you. Okay, like the thread is not going to show if you're worried about the thread showing. No, it is not going to show, and it doesn't even take much time. Okay, like the only time it takes is you sewing it in. Like it doesn't take much time at all. So I'm going to start with sewing in the braids right now to our hair, and just make sure that it is neat and the threads are not showing. So I'm sewing under and make sure that the threads are not going to show. When using a colored braid extension, just use same color of thread, okay, to sew in when using a colored braid extension. That way no thread will be showing, and even if it's showing, nobody will know that it's a thread. You just feel like, oh, it's a colored braid extension. So it is easy, guys. I'm going to braid just every part of our hair before I continue sewing. I just wanted to show you guys the first part of me sewing in the braid. So right now I'm just going to braid our hair. Just braid everything down, because at this point I know the style I'm going for. So I'm just going to braid everything and then sew in my braid extension to the hair this time. So yeah guys, I'm going to repeat this again. Like this is a more closer look. I'm just going to sew in the braid extension starting from the front, okay, from the top part of the cornrow, and then I'm going to sew it downwards.
I thought we had it all. This is our story. It's written on the wall of what you did, what I did, meant more than a letter to each other. Gonna wipe out what's on my mind. It's been a while since I could hold my head up high. Now I know I can't take it anymore. 'Cause I'm feeling that I'm lost inside, trying to get over you.
So yeah guys, this is what I have after sewing in the braid extension. This is so beautiful. So right now I'm going to do just lay down our edges at the front, and that is it guys. Okay, hope you guys find this video helpful. Please give me a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.